Quick question lang. May kakilala ka bang gustong magkaroon ng sariling property? Pero hindi pa kayang malaking cash out? May project kami ngayon, rent-to-own condo in Urban Deca Homes, Ortigas, na baka makatulong to sa kanila. 10,000 lang yung cash out. Pwede na makalipat in 1 to 2 months. Then around 19,000 to 20,000 yung monthly through Pag-ibig. Pwede siya for sariling tirahan or paupahan para may income din. If ever na may maisip ka na pwede dito, I can assist them for you from start to finish. Wala ka nang aasikasuhin. And just to be transparent, meron kang referral commission of 5,000 to 30,000 pesos per successful unit if ever. No pressure at all ha, naisip lang kita kasi baka may matulungan ka sa network mo. If you're open to this, I can explain everything quickly, mga 5 minutes lang naman. So this is Inti, your property specialist at Urban Deca Homes Ortigas.